size the ring. Told the customer about an hour or so. So I have to do this. This is a process. This is alcohol. No more from a jeweler to do that. It's already been cut to size. So this is here. We have to warm the ring up just a little bit so the solder can penetrate. We use this flux. That flux is for the solder to break to. We pick up the solder from here, put it here. Now we just heat the ring so it gets sized already. Now we put it in here. We have to size it to a 7. We have to reshape it, make sure it's round. Once it's round, then we use our file to take the excessive solder from there and make sure it's nice and sanded. Once we take everything off, we gotta do the inside. So we have this little tool. Put it in here. Sand the inside. Make sure the solder is nice and clean. Don't leave too much excessive solder inside.